after the uncertainty of the last couple of years, and also for most of us, the social isolation, Susanne and I have been drawn to offer teachings on true belonging. How can we care for ourselves, others, and the earth?
And true belonging is a theme that is actually really close to our own hearts. Both of us have been looking into self compassion and inclusiveness, interbeing, and planet care quite deeply over the recent times. And so we felt drawn to offer this combination of themes to an order retreat last autumn. And the order received this theme with much gratitude. So people responded very well and felt it was a very worthwhile exploration.
And because of this, we wanted to offer a short course this February and March. And we're doing that over 3 Saturdays, exploring the theme of true belonging, inclusiveness, self compassion, and looking after the earth. So if you would like to join us, it will be a small group, and we'd very much like to practice with you if you're drawn to this topic. Thank you.